When you search for budget air fryers under $100, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Chefman 2-quart mini air fryer. First up is the Chefman 2-quart mini air fryer, priced at just $42.48. The sleek design caught my eye, but it's the digital features that make it stand out. If you want a compact air fryer that's perfect for quick meals, this is worth a serious look. This mini air fryer features a capacitive touchscreen that allows you to customize cooking time and temperature up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. That means you can whip up healthy meals in a fraction of the time it takes with a traditional oven, which can be a game changer for busy weeknights. It only uses a fraction of the oil, so say goodbye to greasy meals. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup, making your post-dinner routine a breeze. Now, some users mentioned that the 2-quart capacity might be too small for larger families, especially if you're cooking for more than 2. Here's the thing though, if you're a single person or a couple, this size is really convenient and compact. This is perfect for you if you're living alone or just want quick meals without the hassle. Skip this one if you're cooking for a large family or need to prepare bigger portions often. For the price, it's a solid deal. Now, if that smaller capacity bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a larger size.
Product number 2, Chefman 4QT Compact Air Fryer. Next, we have the Chefman 4QT Compact Air Fryer. This one is an absolute steal for its price, and it's perfect if you're looking for something that can serve a bit more. With its high-fry technology, it delivers a crispy finish on your favorite foods. You can set the temperature up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which is great for those last few minutes when you want that crunchy texture on your fries or chicken tenders. And with 4 cooking presets, you can easily prepare a variety of meals with just a tap. The 4-quart capacity makes it suitable for families or gatherings without taking up too much counter space. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, so cleanup is simple. However, some reviewers pointed out that the touch controls can be a bit overly sensitive, leading to accidental changes. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you love entertaining or have a small family. Skip this if you prefer a more straightforward control system. For the features you get, it's a great investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility.
Product number 3, Instant Pot 6QT Vortex Plus Air Fryer. Now, let's talk about the Instant Pot 6QT Vortex Plus Air Fryer. This one is a bit pricier, but it's packed with features that make it a 6-in-1 appliance. If you're looking for more than just air frying, this is the one to consider. This air fryer can not only air fry, but also bake, roast, and reheat, meaning it covers a lot of ground in the kitchen. It has a generous 6-quart capacity, so it's perfect for families or meal prepping. The Even Crisp technology ensures you get that delicious crunch with up to 95% less oil. It's also really user-friendly with one-touch settings. But keep in mind, some users have said that it can take longer to preheat compared to traditional air fryers. I'd say that's a minor trade-off for the added functionality and larger capacity. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one kitchen appliance that can help with various cooking styles. Skip this if you only plan to air fry and want something simpler.
Product number 4, Instant Pot 4-quart Vortex Plus Mini Air Fryer. Next up is the Instant Pot 4-quart Vortex Plus Mini Air Fryer. Priced at $69.99, it's a compact version that still brings versatility to your kitchen. It has the same 6-in-1 functionality as its larger counterpart, allowing you to air fry, bake, and dehydrate, all in one device. The compact size is great for small kitchens, or for those who live alone but still want to whip up meals for guests. The adjustable temperature range from 95 degrees to 400 degrees allows you to customize your cooking. However, I did see some feedback mentioning that the 4-quart capacity may not be enough for larger families if you're looking to cook multiple servings at once. But hey, if you're cooking for 1 or 2, this is ideal. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable air fryer that doesn't take up much space but still offers multiple cooking options. Skip this if you regularly cook for larger groups. Given the quality and features, it's a
Product number 5, Bella 4-quart Slim Air Fryer. Finally, we have the Bella 4-quart Slim Air Fryer. This one is unique with its sleek design that fits perfectly in any kitchen without taking too much space. Its price is also very competitive for what you get. The Evergood ceramic nonstick coating ensures your food doesn't stick. Plus, it's free of harmful chemicals, which is great for healthy cooking. With a capacity of 4 liters, it's suitable for family meals, and you can cook large batches without hassle. The digital controls and 6 presets make it user-friendly, so you can easily switch between different cooking styles. On the downside, some users mentioned that the ceramic coating may wear off over time. Here's the thing though, if you take care of it, it should last long enough to make it worth your while. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish air fryer that's easy to use and fits anywhere in your kitchen. Skip this if you're after a heavier duty model for more intense cooking sessions. For its features and design, it's a solid pick.
So there you have it. We've explored 5 great budget air fryers under $100, each with its own unique features and benefits. Whether you're looking for something compact like the Chefman 2-quart or a multifunctional workhorse like the Instant Pot 6-quart, there's definitely something for everyone. Make sure to consider your cooking needs and space before making a choice.